So we'll start with the ones who are the least hot and work our way to the ones who are clearly the hottest. All right, let's just start at the bottom. Stu Hot, key right here. I mean, if you're with a rat, he doesn't really care at all about the way that you look, the way you shower or shave. It's a win-win. Now we're getting to the top three. Oh yes, definitely. Stowe, man, men who can cook. Am I right? I mean, that's just. I mean, that's all you can say. Not clingy, in part because he's dead, and so so he's hot, but really, of these, Doofenshmirtz clearly.
Guys, my old beater car is getting replaced. It's a really sad day. Let's go check it out. One last ride in the shark cage before I usher in my new whip. Let's get to it. I'm the videographer. Left. Hold on. Okay.
Ah, we're going through a puddle.
Oh, gross.
Peyton, you're strong. I know. We haven't seen them in so long.
What are we gonna do?
Our four-wheeler's dead.
Don't show my my Pac-Man. What is?
I know.
Hey guys,
What's up, vlog?
we're gonna go find some snakes. There's this boat that usually,
100% chance every time we flip it over has snakes under it.
let's get to it. Please do not try this at home. This is very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Deadly snake warning.
Hi, sisters! It's pulling now.
Okay, just jerk it. You can't. Yep.
Jerk?
Oh, it has it!
Oh my gosh!
Come here.
Peyton! You got him! Holy.
Yes!
Holy.
Yes!
Let's get a close up. Oh my gosh!
That's so nasty! Yes!
We've had some great times. Live, laugh, love. See you later.
Live, laugh, love. Did the baby fish survive? That's what I want to know. Oh, he's swimming. Wait, is he gonna eat him? Wait, Albert might come and chomp him. I'm not even gonna lie.
Wait, don't stop filming.
In case Albert's like,
he's alive.
Good. Oh my gosh, after all that.
both of them got to live.
Yeah.
Nature is amazing.
And that's another happy ending on Loft 10 Vlogs. Calculated the percentage of time we spent watching Vampire Diaries this
While
weekend.
we're out here.
Oh,
Guess what
23%.
percentage?
Oh no!